Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, guys. What do you think I got happen to Romeich after the TJ and Moya saga? Will it just be a 9-day talk or justice will prevail? There was a video posted, we don't know how long, but it would seem as if Romeich was on his way out of the country. Not only that, the marketing guru and businessman also deleted or deactivated his TikTok account. Moya also posted a video where it appeared as if she was at the lawyer's office. Yes, the big bad lawyer's office. And the police that was said to have carried out the hit, we don't know what happened to him either. In an article published by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, it says that the High Command is aware of the video circulating on social media that shows an alleged incident involving off-duty personnel purported to be members of the JCF. The High Command only became aware of this incident and the reported connection to a member after it was raised publicly by a talk show host. Upon learning of the incident, the High Command immediately launched an internal investigation through its Inspectorate Professional Standards Oversight Bureau to determine the facts, including whether any policies were breached. However, the matter has since become the subject of an independent investigation by the Independent Commission of Investigations, which is responsible for investigating allegations of police misconduct. In keeping with established procedures, the JCF has handed over all relevant information to Indicom and will cooperate with their investigation. The High Command takes these allegations seriously and reiterates its commitment to transparency and accountability. We categorically state that there have been no delays in our response. Action was taken immediately upon the matter being brought to our attention. As the investigation is ongoing and now under the jurisdiction of Indicom, the JCF will not comment further on this specific case at this time. It is important to clarify that the JCF permits members to engage in private service, commonly referred to as extra work. Remember to like, share, and subscribe and leave your comments below.